Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to be telling you how to make treatment oil to manage or repair your bleached skin. So if you've ruined your skin because you've been using these cheap chemicals to lighten your skin, and your skin is now ruined and all of that, this recipe is definitely what you want to try out. There are other treatments and repair oil recipes out there, but this particular one will hasten the recovery of your skin and at the same time glow your skin. So if you are interested in that, if you like to repair your skin, this is the video for you, and let us get right into it. Hey guys, welcome back. If you are seeing me for the first time, hi, it's nice to meet you. My name is Falashade. I think about skincare, lifestyle, a little bit of beauty, a little bit of fashion, and all of that good stuff. Please take a moment to watch 2, 3 or more videos on the channel so you can be convinced that you should subscribe. Okay? My OG subscribers, how are you guys doing? I hope you are well. I hope you are well. Let me know how you are doing in the comment section down below. I miss you guys so much. So yes, going to the video of today, we are going to be making treatment oil. Okay, and you'll be needing quite a lot of things because ruining your skin did not come overnight, and it's going to cost you quite a bit to fix it and to just get it going again. This particular oil will not make you look dull. It's not dull, it's not make you dull, it's not just do your skin anyhow. It's going to treat your skin at the same time, still glow you. So get your pen and paper and write. First one I'm going to be using is liquid gold oil. This is what liquid gold oil looks like. So you are going to be needing 50 ml of liquid gold oil. You are going to be needing 50 ml of crude kenako oil. Crude kenako is a very good anti-reaction. When you want to make your whitening soap or your whitening cream, or you want to even premix your cream, you tend to add crude kenako so that it's protects your skin. It doesn't let the whatever product you're using give you maybe stretch mark, maybe whatever. So this oil, you can use for stretch mark, you can use it for white patches, and you can use it to also treat wrinkled and ruined skin anyways. So 50 ml of kenako oil, 50 ml of ultra oil. This is what ultra oil looks like. 50 ml of ultra oil. You are going to be needing tea tree oil as well. You'll be needing 5 ml of tea tree oil. I was going to say 50 ml though. You'll be needing 5 ml of tea tree oil. You'll be needing 50 ml of neem oil. Neem oil has antibacterial properties. It helps to clear eczema, pimples, rashes, and all of that. So you know that the things I'm mentioning in this video are the teas. Okay, you'll be needing 50 ml of neem oil. You'll be needing 50 ml of rosehip oil. You'll be needing 20 ml of frankincense oil. And hydrocortisone tooth cream. Just take any hydrocortisone tooth cream at all. You'll be needing 2 of that. You'll be needing 1 Shalom stretch mark oil. This is what Shalom stretch mark oil looks like. You'll be needing 1 of that. You'll be needing your palm kernel oil, not palm oil or anything. Palm kernel oil. You'll be needing 50 ml of that, and you'll be needing 50 ml of your vitamin E oil. Okay, so liquid gold, crude kenako, ultra oil, neem oil, tea tree oil, rosehip oil, frankincense oil, hydrocortisone cream. You'll be needing 2 of that. Shalom stretch mark oil. You'll be needing 1 of that. You'll be needing 50 ml of palm kernel oil and 50 ml of vitamin E oil. That is everything you need. Mix everything together. Get a clean bowl. Make sure your bowl is clean and sterilized. Make sure that your working environment is clean and sterilized. Mix all of these oils and tubes and everything together. Make sure you shake and mix and shake and mix and shake together. Then you rub on your body. You can choose to rub it morning and night, because nothing in this oil will make you photosensitive or will make you more sensitive to the sun. So you are very good to go. You can use it morning and night. You can choose to rub it ordinarily. I will advise that when you're using this treatment oil, please don't use any whitening cream. I don't think you should use any whitening cream, so that you just use this on your body, and it's heals your skin very fast. And then when you are done, you feel like your skin you've treated your skin to the point where you want, and it doesn't look ruined or it doesn't look bleached anymore. I will advise you to take like 2 steps backwards on all the whitening products you are using, and just give your skin some time to breathe before you start all over again. That is if you still want to start again. That brings us to the end of this video, guys. I will try to list all of these things in the description box, but if I do not list it out, please make sure you watch the video so you can get it right and all of that. Put this in a tight container, keep it away from the sun, keep it in a don't go and put it directly in front of the sun, because I said they are not photosensitive. Just keep them somewhere in a cool, dry, dark place, and use this oil for 1 month and come and tell me what you think. Okay? If you also want to sell it, this is a very good recipe. Trust me. There are some, you can choose to make treatment oil with only tea tree oil, neem oil, and frankincense oil. There are some people that do treatment oil. I will tell you this is treatment oil though, but it's only frankincense oil and neem oil and tea tree oil that is there. You see, all of this that I just mentioned now, we will make a very big batch. I mean 50 ml of this, 50 ml of that. It's going to make a very big batch. So if you don't want to make that much, you want to make it for yourself alone, you can choose 5 ml. So you use like 5 ml of liquid gold, 5 ml of, which can I call, 5 ml of neem, then tea tree oil, you can use like 1 ml, or a few drops, 20 ml, instead of 20 ml of frankincense oil, you can use like 2 ml, you get, of frankincense oil. Just reduce it to whatever you want, so that you don't go and make too much. But if you want to sell, this is a very good batch to start from. Okay, that will be all for this video, guys. Make sure you watch this video to the very end. Watch my ads. Thank you. Click the subscribe button, click the thumbs up button, and share with your family and friends. I will see you in another video. Peace.